Well, we're on a new adventure. It is, I don't know, about 40 degrees out, and I'm out here on my hometown lake fishing. Gonna see if I can get some pike or some bass or whatever bites, you know? That's what we're going for. It's looking nice out here. It's a little chilly, but that sun's up high in the sky, and it feels great. Today I'm gonna be using some top water baits like these. A little spinny tail that flings some water. Pike seem to like that. You go back over here by the river where all the weeds are and stuff and throw that over the top. See if I can get some pike to come up and smash it. But I'm gonna fish this side of the lake all the way down to there. See if I can get something else to hit. Right now I'm throwing a pala, jointed one with the big bill. I think it's 7 to 9 feet or something like that. That's how deep this one's supposed to go. But yeah, we're gonna be out here for a few hours today, seeing if we can catch some fish out here on the lake. You guys stay tuned and check it out. First kayaking trip of the year, so, well, not really a trip, but a day adventure. Fish on, just like that. Other way with the drag. What do we got? What do we got? Just a bass. That's a fatty, really. Oh, that's what we got. Bam. Let him go. See you later, buddy. All right, that's fish number one. All right, let's get after it. Not really what we're targeting, but fish is a fish nonetheless. See those turtles down there, but look like there's 3 of them and maybe a mom. Bye, little dudes. Well, I've been out here a while. I had one pike hit me. I snapped my line. I don't know what happened, but I paddled way up river here, and I found this hill that's south facing with all these popple trees up on it. So, and it's mushroom time. So I'm gonna head up there and see if I can find some mushrooms somewhere else. So let's do it. Let's walk around and check out the side of this hill a little bit and see if I can find some mushrooms. That's a fatty. Yes. Alright, well I just caught this nice brown up here at the mouth of the river. Ooh, he's a nice one. He is a nice one. Get him out and get a... Wow, he is fat. He is fat. She. It's a she. I gotta get some pliers. Wow. She is feisty. Alright, there she is. She's a fatty. Look how pretty that fish is. Wow. This might be one of my personal bests right here. It's definitely girth-wise my personal best. A beautiful adipose fin. Oh yeah, she is pretty. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Woo! I'm so pumped to catch that fish. I came all the way up here just to explore basically. But I seen these nice logs laying down on the side of the river. Screw it, throw a little spinner at some of that debris, those logs out there. Get me beached back up. Turned out great. Alright, let's get her back in the water. Not gonna get a very good release. Here she goes. Let me ready, girl. There she goes. She just snuck right under the boat. Boy, call me crazy, but I would have never expected to catch a brown like that here. I mean, it's sandy bottom. And I mean, there's literally just some logs and it's sand everywhere. But there's still some good cover, so, and nobody fishes up here. So that's why that one was so fat and healthy and just beautiful. Boy, that made my day right there. Made my day. That was awesome. I'm just still in shock about it. Well, I'm gonna keep drifting downriver and maybe I'll catch another one here. There's not much river left, but I'm literally, I don't know, a quarter mile up like the mouth of the river, if that. So that was wild. That was wild. All right, well, let's keep going. There's got to be another one out there. Fish on, fish on. This one's a pike, out of the same hole. Yeah. Whoa! Out of the same hole. Oh shit! He's loose. He ain't even on hook no more. He about jumped out there on me. That was sweet. I thought he was gonna sit on my lap for a second. That was just downright sick. I'll get him up and get a show of him. Oh, he just jumped out. Dang it. Too much going on there. That was crazy. Right out of the same hole though. It was only like a 18, 20-inch pike, but I mean literally sitting in the same hole as that 18-inch brown or so. I mean, it was close to 18 inches. Boy, I can't believe that fish just jumped out of my net. going back in that same hole. Alright, let's go at it again. I can't believe that, out of the same hole. A pike and a brown trout. Insane. Another fish. It's another pike. Oh yeah. So in like 5 casts, I've caught 3 fish. 1 brown, 2 pike. Alright everybody, there we go. Looks like he got mowed down by a bigger one or something. He's got a big old gouge right here out of him. But there you go, back in the river. Alright, well that was just insane. That's just too much fun. I'm gonna paddle back up to where I caught those first ones. Literally, I caught the brown trout and that first pike right there. Like, right there underneath that cedar tree hanging over the water. And then I caught that other one right behind me. I don't get it. There's still a couple more spots over here to hit too, so I'm gonna paddle back up there and then just start floating back and give her some casts. And get another one. That little guy, there he goes. He's free. This little guy, he had a lamprey eel stuck to him right there. When I pulled him out the water, as soon as you take them out the water though, those eels let go. There he goes. Ah, slimy. Well, I got him on the troll back to the car, so that's nice. One more for the road. Alright, well, I'm gonna throw it back out there and continue trolling to the truck. Maybe we'll get lucky again. Well, we made it back to my house. I had to buck the wind the whole way back. I didn't do much recording. And when I got back, I was beat. And now I'm back home. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. See you on the next one.